Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. If you're new to this, I basically play a random game and don't edit it. I try my best to explain what I'm thinking. Obviously it's random, so a lot of different situations come up. If you like this sort of thing, there's a playlist on this channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's also a playlist called Solitaire Tips. Let's go ahead and get started here. Looks like there's a couple aces we can play. So we'll put those up there, and it looks like I'm going to play 8, 7, 8, 9, 6, right? Okay. And I'll play this queen as well. I'm probably going to put this king move back. Yeah, I'm going to put it back. Alright, off to the columns. I like to save early cards as insurance, so we're going to do that. Sometimes you can deviate from that, but most of the time that's the basic strategy here. So don't play this 9. That's one of the things, is typically like 90-some% of the time, if you got a 9 here and you got a 9 in the front of the draw pile, you want to play the card in the very front of the draw pile first. A little cautious. I think it's okay to bring down those 2 because we have an ace hearts right there. So, alrighty, looks like it's time to play the 9. What was under this king? Was it? It was a queen, red queen. Oh boy. You know what? I'm going to redo this whole... I'm going to start off from the very beginning. There's a red queen underneath here. Right? Okay. Let me see where that original red queen came from. It came from right here. Okay. I am going to play this way. There we go. Found an extra move and still have an open column. Alright, finally making a good move here. And I think this 9 had to be played here, and the 8. So we got 2 cards moved. The 7 will be our insurance card. And we'll be able to play the 6 underneath there the next time around. So, pretty sweet. Already feeling good. Made a move. We will need to get to that king at some point, too. So yeah, we can play this. Oh, sweet. We can bring... Here. There we go. Not going to play the... Well, we can't play the 2. 2 and 3 of diamonds are playable at some point. Okay. So there's the 7 and the 6. What I want to get to is this king right here. Just going to see what else is available before we do that, though. 4 we can play. Yeah, we'll get rid of the 2 and 3. Okay. Alright. I think it's going to come down to if we can open up somewhat this column here. Otherwise, we could be in trouble. And so, 1, 2 moves. The reason we're making 2 moves there is because we want the king. We need to move 2 cards to get this king to show up. We'll be able to move this queen underneath it next time around. And I think... There was a... Yeah, we can move this 2 of clubs. So there's a jack and a 10 we'd like to be able to move. And that's going to be very important because we want to get this 9 under here, open up that column, and extend our game here. So we'll see. I think the king is going to be the... Well, maybe the first play. I want to see with where that... The jack and the... Okay, there's the jack. We need to move 2 cards to get to the jack, unfortunately. We only got 1 there. Only got 1. So that could be a problem. Nothing to move there. Oh, there's the second card. We can move this 2 of clubs, and that'll get us to the jack. So, next time around... Sorry, 3 of clubs we move. We'll get the jack, and then we'll get the 10. So there's the jack. There's the 10. Here's the 9, and fingers crossed. I will move the 5. Not yet. I just want to see what else is out there. So we go to 10. Black 10, red 10, and 8. Alright, this may be a game that's not... Was there a king in there? There's no king in there, is there? Okay. Just going to play this 5 and see where it leads us. So, okay. Got a move or two. There's a 4 of clubs. There's a king we can move. We'll be able to move this 6. I'll show you how. We're going to take this 5, put it here. You'll notice there's 2 6s. We're going to take the 5, put it here. We'll put the 6 here. And then this 6 goes right here. A move, but not a move we want. We need to open up one of these columns. So like a queen would be an ideal card, but we're not going to get to this queen. So maybe a plan B might work in a different fashion like that. So we'll see. Yeah, this may not be solvable. We'll see. So 3 of hearts right there. Ideally, if we could find one more. There is no other moves. Alright, so there's no moves in that sequence. The question is, could we do something else? Like, for example, if this 6 weren't here, could we swap out the 6 of hearts for that? Good question. You know, the other question would be, you know, could we... I don't think this is even possible, swapping out this jack for that jack. You could go back and see if we could swap this 6 for the 6 of diamonds. So let's see if that's even feasible. It may not work. So let's see where that 6 of diamonds came from and see if we can swap out the 6 of hearts. And I don't even know if that's a feasible move. So 6 of diamonds came from here. We would not... We're going to have to go back pretty far. So we went here. We had the 7. We would have to not play the 6 here and then play this sequence instead. So there's a red king. It could be a viable way. It's the only other option I see on the board right now. So trying to get this jack down too. Let's see. Oops. Okay. I'm playing the king. We need to move 2 cards, I believe, right? So there's a 6. Yeah, so that's the question right there. This is, you know, we move this 6 instead of the 6 of diamonds. And the question is, does that get us anywhere? And we're going to find out, right? So 4 diamonds. Open spot for a king. And we have an open spot for the other king too. So 5 of diamonds. Oh, great. 3 of hearts. Maybe this is a viable path. We're going to find out very quickly here. I may be going to... Oh, no, this is awesome. I think we might have this. So, I'm going to go back up here a little bit. We got 2 9s. 1 9 is here. Is there another red 10? There is a red 10 right there. That won't help us. We really need to do... Well, hey, we can play the 6 too. I forgot about that. I apologize. So ace of clubs. There's the 2 of clubs there. We're just going to see what else we can bring down. Okay. This 9 of diamonds, right? That's a 5 of spades. We can play that. 4 of clubs. we should theoretically be able to play it. Now I play it a little too fast here, so I'm going to have to sort out and figure out a way to make this work. All right. So we're back to that spot. We're going to have a black 10, obviously. And, yeah, we're going to... So I think we're going to play the black 10 at the very front of this draw pile. And we're going to play... Let's see how this plays out here. So 5 goes here. 2, 3, 4 goes right here. So we've got 1 king option. That leaves us open there. But do we want to bring these cards down? Not yet. We do, but not yet. So we're going to bring this 3 down here. 5 go down here. And then this 3 can be played in just a minute here. We need to get this 2 of clubs down too, I believe. Oh boy. Let's see. Well, we're going to play all these cards right here. We'll see how this plays out. I'm going to see if we can work something out with a column. So there's a black 10 at the very end, which is good because that means we can move the 9 there, and we're going to get this solved one way or other, right? All right, there we have it. Yay! Ace of clubs. Okay, we've got this solved. It's just a matter of getting all these cards up to their respective foundation pile here. So bear with me. I'm going to work this in order. Let's go spades. Yeah, we're going to get this solved here. So that was tougher than average, but we're getting it done. So pretty cool, huh? All right. Let's see, hearts and diamonds. Okay, now we got the clubs up. And yeah, we got it done. So pretty cool. That was a tricky one, but we got it done. So hopefully I was able to teach you a trick or two. And of course, if you like this sort of thing, there is a playlist on the channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire. If you're looking for more tips, there's also a playlist called Solitaire Tips. Best 2 videos of the... I got a bunch of videos in there, but the best 2, in my opinion, are How to Win at Solitaire and Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. Be sure to check that out whenever you get a chance. Anyway, thanks for watching, and